pala sa kanyang katawan.
What? What's wrong?
Sa kanyang
Okay.
sarili. Sa oras na tinatawag niya ang mismong pangalan. Nakakilala sa kanya.
Dress!
Marami
This
na rin
is
ang
dress.
Okay po, it's a dress.
tanging kakayahan.
Wow.
You can draw the crown.
What's your piece?
A face, opo. Eyes, nose, mouth. Okay, go. Hands, okay.
Feet.
Opo, go.
Shoes.
A shoes.
Okay.
A hands.
Piece.
Eyes. Big eyes?
Yes. Eyes.
It's a big eyes.
Wee.
How about nose? Ganyan lang yung nose niya?
Yes. Come on. Mouth.
A mouth. Very good. How about a crown? Mataas.
Wow, princess.
Messi? Oh, a princess. Wow.
It's my dress. Are you?
You put colors?
Yes.
Okay, go.
Where?
Okay, go.
Yes, where?
Okay, go.
Sige, yari ka sa amin. Meron kaming pangontra laban dyan.
Picture muna ni Mami. Pakita natin kay Lolo tsaka kay Mama. Okay.
No, John.
Not yet done. Okay, go.
Shoes.
A shoes.
Where shoes? Where shoes? Oh, okay.
Okay na yan. Done na. Pakita mo na kay Lola.
No.
Not yet done?
Peace.
No, yung face, hindi naman kinokoloran yung face eh. Okay na yan. Dress lang, tsaka yung shoes. Hawakan mo na, pakita mo na.